everyone. So my name is Jacqueline Empelio and I will be reciting the 17 regions with its provinces and capitals with a blindfold. Region 1, Ilocos Norte, capital Lawag City. Ilocos Sur, capital Vigan City. La Union, capital San Fernando City. Pangasinan, capital Lingayen. Region 2, Cagayan Valley. Batanes, capital Basco. Cagayan, capital Tuguegarao City. Isabela, capital Ilagan. Nueva Vizcaya, capital Bayumbong. Quirino, capital Cabarogues. Region 3, Central Luzon. Aurora, capital Baler. Bataan, capital Balanga City. Bulacan, capital Malolo City. Pampanga, capital San Fernando City. Nueva Ecija, capital Palayan City. Tarlac, capital Tarlac City. Zambales, capital Iba. Region 4A, Calabarzon. Batangas, capital Batangas City. Cavite, capital Trece Martinez City. Laguna, capital Santa Cruz. Quezon, capital Lucena City. Rizal, capital Antipolo City. Region 4B, Mimaropa. Marinduque, capital Buag. Occidental Mindoro, capital Mamburao. Oriental Mindoro, capital Carapan City. Kapalawan, capital Puerto Princesa City. Romblon, capital Romblon. Region 5, Bicol. Albay, capital Legazpi City. Camarines Norte, capital Daet. Camarines Sur, capital Pili. Catanduanes, capital Verac. Masbate, capital Masbate City. Sorsogon, capital Sorsogon City. Region 6, Western Visayas. Aklan, capital Calibo. Antique, capital San Jose. Capiz, capital Rojas City. Guimaras, capital Jordan. Iloilo, capital Iloilo City. Negros Occidental, capital Bacolod City. Region 7, Central Visayas. Bohol, capital Tagbilaran City. Cebu, capital Cebu City. Negros Oriental, capital Dumaguete City. Siquijor, capital Siquijor. Region 8, Eastern Visayas. Biliran, capital Naval. Eastern Samar, capital Suborongan City. Leyte, capital Tacloban City. Northern Samar, capital Catarman. Southern Leyte, capital Maasin City. Western Samar, capital Catbalogan City. Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula. Zamboanga del Norte, capital Dipolog City. Zamboanga del Sur, capital Pagadian City. Zamboanga Sibugay, capital Ipil. Region 10, Northern Mindanao. Bukidnon, capital Malaybalay City. Camigen, capital Mambahaw. Lanao del Norte, capital Tubod. Misamis Occidental, capital Oroquita City. Misamis Oriental, capital Cagayan de Oro City. Region 11, Davao. Compostela Valley, capital Nabunturan. Davao del Norte, capital Tagum City. Davao del Sur, capital Digo City. Davao Oriental, capital City of Mati. Region 12, Soxargen. Cotabato, North Cotabato, capital Kidapawan City. Sarangani, capital, Alabang. South Cotabato, capital, Coronadal City. Sultan Kudarat, capital, Isulan. Region 13, Caraga. Agusan del Norte, capital, Cabadbaran City. Agusan del Sur, capital, Prosperidad. Dinagat Island, capital, San Jose. Surigao del Norte, capital, Surigao City. Surigao del Sur, capital, Tandag City. ARMM Region, Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Basilan, capital, Basilan. Lanao del Sur, capital, Marawi City. Maguindanao, capital, Sharif Agwak. Sharif Kabunsuan, capital, Dato Udin Sinsuat. Sulu, capital, Hulu. Tawi-Tawi, capital, Panglima Sugala. Car Region or Cordillera Administrative Region. Abra, capital, Banget. Apayao, capital, Cabugao. Benguet, capital, La Trinidad. Ifugao, capital, Lagawe. Kalinga, capital, Tabuk. Mount Province, capital, Buntok. NCR Region or the National Capital Region. Cities, Caloocan, Las Piñas, Makati, Malabon, Mandaluyong, Manila, Marikina, Muntinlupa, Navotas, Parañaque, Pasay, Pasig, Quezon City, San Juan, Taguig, and Valenzuela. Municipalities, Pateros. That's all, everyone. Thank you.